Very good evening all. Welcome to math classes by MS sir. Today we will discuss about pedal triangle. Today we are going to discuss about the pedal triangle, the angles in a pedal triangle, length of the sides of the pedal triangle, as well as area of the pedal triangle, as well as circumradius of the pedal triangle, as well as in radius of the pedal triangle. We are going to discuss in this particular video. Okay, now we will discuss about pedal triangle. So in a pedal triangle, what is pedal triangle is, in any triangle, if you take any triangle, the point of concurrence of altitudes of a triangle is called orthocenter. We know that. Now each altitude, if you observe, AK is one altitude, K is the foot of the altitude AK, L is the foot of the altitude BL, M is the foot of the altitude CM. The triangle formed by these feet of altitudes is called pedal triangle. The triangle formed by feet of altitudes is called as pedal triangle. So K, L and M is a pedal triangle. Now we are going to discuss about angles of a pedal triangle, as well as length of the sides of the pedal triangle, as well as area of the pedal triangle, circumradius of the pedal triangle, in radius of the pedal triangle. So first, before that, what are the angles of the pedal triangle? This is the orthocenter O. Okay. Now if you observe, this angle plus this angle is 180. Automatically this angle plus this angle is also 180. So if a sum of the opposite angles is 180 in any quadrilateral, it becomes cyclic quadrilateral. So this is cyclic. Okay, so all the vertices lying on a circle. Now take the triangle AMC. This angle is A, this angle is 90 minus A. Now angles in the same segment of a circle, this point and this point if we consider, this angle is equals to this angle. So this is 90 minus A, this is also 90 minus A. Okay, similarly OMBK, that is also cyclic because sum of the opposite angles is 180 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180. Automatically the other two sum will be 180. So this is also cyclic quadrilateral. Now again, like before, ABL, this is angle 90 minus A. Similarly, angles in the same segment. This angle is equals to this angle. So this angle also 90 minus A. So angle MKL is 90 minus A plus 90 minus A, that is 180 minus 2A. Similarly, angle KML is also 180 minus C, 2C will get. Angle KLM, that will be 180 minus 2B. So these are the angles of a pedal triangle. Now how to find the length of the sides of the pedal triangle? Just we will find out that also. Length of the sides of the pedal triangle, that is LM, MK and KL. How to calculate? To calculate that, consider the triangle AML. Triangle AML, if we consider, use sine rule. What is the sine rule? A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C is equals to 2R. In a way, A by sine A is length of the side by the angle opposite, sine of the angle opposite to the side. So like that, LM by sine A, LM by sine A, which is equals to AL by sine of the angle AML. Sine of the angle AML, that is AL by sine of the angle AML. We can write as, this total angle is 90, right? So I will write like this: sine of 90 minus of angle LMO. Okay, sine of the angle LMO, 90 minus of This angle I am writing as 90 minus of angle LMO. Okay, so that is what. Okay, now AL by sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos of LMO angle. Now AL by cos of angle LMO. Now if you observe again, OLAM is a cyclic quadrant. Sum of the opposite angles is 180. So angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. These two angles are equal. Okay. Now what is this angle? Test a triangle AKC. This angle is C. This angle will be 90 minus C. 90 minus C. So I can write angle LMO as sin of cos of AL by cos of 90 minus C. That is AL by sin C. AL by sin C. So LM by sin A is equals to AL by sin C we got. AL by sin C we got. Next, here LM value we need, length of the side of pedal triangle. AL is unknown, sin A, sin C, okay. AL we have to calculate. Now what you do is take triangle ABL. Triangle ABL. What is sin theta? Sin 90 minus A. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin 90 minus A is AL by AD. So AL is equals to what? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos A into AB length is C. C cos A. So AL is equals to C cos A. Now LM is equals to how much you will get? LM is equals to AL value is C cos A by sin C into sin A. Okay, this sin A I am sending that side. So what is this becomes now? C can be written as 2R sin C. C is as per the sine rule. C is equals to 2R sin C. This is cos A. This is sin A by sin C. Sin C cancel. R into 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. So R sin 2A. LM is R sin 2A. So this is R sin 2A. Length of one side of pedal triangle. Similarly, this is R sin 2B. This is R sin 2C. Okay, so the length of the sides of pedal triangle are R sin 2A, or R sin 2B, or R sin 2C, which is again further we can write as R is nothing but, as per the sine rule, R we can write as A by 2 sin A. A by 2 sin A into sin 2A can be written as 2 sin A cos A. Sin A cancel, 2 cancel. We can write as A cos A. Or R sin 2B can be written as B cos B. R sin 2C can be written as C cos C. Now we will discuss about area of pedal triangle. The area of pedal triangle is, we know that in general, what is the area of the triangle of BC sin A, of CA sin B, or of AB sin C. Using that property, area of triangle KLM, that is area of pedal triangle, is of BC sin A, or here of KM into KL into sine of the angle between these two sides, that is 180 minus 2A. Okay, that is of into KM is R sin 2B, R sin 2B, KL is R sin 2C, this is sin 2A, one sin 180 minus theta is sin theta, sin 2A, that is of into r sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c. So r into r square, sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c. Okay, so what is the area of the triangle we got? Of r square, sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c. Okay, so this is area of the triangle, that is area of the pedal triangle. R square by 2 into sin 2a into sin 2b into sin 2c. That is area of pedal triangle. Now how to calculate circumradius of the pedal triangle? Circumradius of the pedal triangle. Circumradius of pedal triangle. So what is circumradius of the pedal triangle is, suppose some r dash, r is the circumradius, so I'm considering r dash as circumradius of pedal triangle. We know that ABC by 4 delta, product of the sides by 4 times the area of the triangle is nothing but circumradius. Okay, so here capital R is the circumradius of triangle ABC. Here r dash is the circumradius of pedal triangle. Now ABC, ABC are the length of the sides. What are the length of the sides? R sin 2a, R sin 2b, R sin 2c by 4 into delta is, just now we proved, 1 by 2 r square sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c. So this is the area of pedal triangle. Now do 2 times, r square cancel, sin 2a cancel, sin 2b, sin 2c cancel, times 2t, sin 2c cancel. Left with r by 2. Okay, now we got that circumradius of pedal triangle is half of circumradius of given triangle ABC. Okay, so circumradius by 2 is nothing but circumradius of the pedal triangle. Okay, so r dash is equals to r by 2. This is about circumradius of pedal triangle. Next, what is inradius of pedal triangle? What is inradius of pedal triangle? Inradius of pedal triangle is inradius of pedal triangle R is equals to delta by S. What is delta? Just now we proved of r square sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c by S is nothing but semi-perimeter. Okay, that is sum of the sides by 2. Here the sides are r sin 2a plus r sin 2b plus r sin 2c. That is r times of sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c by 2. Sum of the lengths by 2. Now this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. Okay, so r square, here r cancel, r into sin 2a, sin 2a I am writing as, I write as 2 sin a cos a into sin 2b as 2 sin b cos b, sin 2c as 2 sin c cos c by sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is 4 sin a sin b sin c. So sin c cancel, sin b cancel, sin a cancel. Okay, that is here r is there. Okay, so Again 2 2s are 4. So what is left with 2 into r, 2r cos A cos B cos C. Okay, 2r cos A cos B cos C. This is the in radius of pedal triangle. In radius of pedal triangle is r is equals to 2 capital R cos A cos B cos C. 2 capital R cos A cos B cos C. This is in radius of pedal triangle. So now we discussed what are the angles in a pedal triangle and length of the each side of a pedal triangle. Then we discussed area of the pedal triangle. Then we discussed about circumradius of the pedal triangle. Then we discussed about in radius of pedal triangle.